How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to download Epic Games on your Steam Deck. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is pretty simple, and it functions the same way as an emulator would on your PC. So what you need to do is step one, you need to turn on your Steam Deck, obviously, and step two, you want to press the Steam button to bring up the power and mode options. And what you want to do is you want to scroll down till you find the option to switch to desktop mode. Now, when you switch to desktop mode, basically what you want to do is open the browser and click on, visit this link right here, store.epicgames.com, and download the Epic Games launcher installer from there. Now, from there on out, what you want to do is navigate through your games library on the Epic Games launcher and see which games you want to add to your Steam Deck that you want to play. So let's say that you want to play Fortnite, right? So what you want to do is you want to access the Steam dashboard again on your Steam Deck, and you want to click on manually add a game. Now this should be right at the bottom left corner of the your Steam Deck, or I think it was the right. I forgot which, but whatever, doesn't matter. So what you want to do is manually add a game, and we're going to select a game from the Epic Games Store. Now, to do this, basically just follow this path, add a game. Okay, it says the bottom left corner, so there you go. And then add a non-Steam game, and then click Browse. Now, what you want to do is navigate to Downloads, and switch to View Mode to Show All File Types. So this way you see the Epic Games Launcher installer. So the next thing you need to do is open it and add selected programs to install it. And when you do, you want to look for the Epic Games Launcher installer on your Steam Deck library. Right click on it and then click on Properties. And under Compatibility Settings, you want to click on the box that says Force the use of a specific Steam Play compatibility tool. Now, when you do that, simply click on Play on the Epic Games launcher on Steam and click Install. Now, the next thing you need to do is open File Manager on Steam Deck and go to Home. It says here that you need to click on the hamburger dropdown. So I'm guessing that's the 3 lines. And click Enable Show Hidden Files. And you want to basically navigate or follow this path here. And sort by modified, newest, so just to make things easier. And you'd want to go to this file right here. So right click on it, once you find the Epic Games Launcher, copy location, and pull up the installer in your Steam library, and right click on it in the sidebar, and then click Properties. And in the shortcut tab, replace the text in the target and start in text boxes. So basically, we're just updating the path with this instead of the default one. So we're just going to copy and paste this onto that, and then from here on out, you can rename it to make it easier to see and have it more accessible. And what you want to do is go back into gaming mode, click on Play on Epic Games, and this will bring up the normal launcher as you would on a regular PC. And then for ease of access, it says here that you need to press the Steam button and go to controller settings and change the template to web browser just to make things easier to use and navigate. So once you do that, you want to sign in to the Epic Games Launcher with your account, and you're going to basically operate it as normal and download Fortnite there, and then now you can play. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So if this guide worked for you guys, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.